everybody in YouTube world. This is Chef Vic from Cooking Beast Fanatic, my new YouTube channel. I would just like to give you a little bit of Q&A about me and what I do and what I love to accomplish when I do what I do. What is the channel about, and a bit about me? I like to cook. I like to make 3D cakes. 3D cakes is the center of my world. Cooking on the side, if I get to it, I make a lot of unique things. I have been cooking since I was 12 years old, and my mother and my father both cooked. They had a few restaurants in their family, or in our family rather. In 2009, I decided to go ahead and pursue 3D signature cakes, which I had already been making cakes from scratch when I was 12 years old anyway. What is my favorite things to cook? Of course, I was telling you about cakes, but I like to make things from scratch, as like pasta, meats, steaks, grilled food, sauces. I like to make barbecue sauce from scratch. That's one thing that I love to do, and I do a lot, is make barbecue sauce. And Alfredo sauce is another sauce I love to make. My favorite cake to create and desserts to create, I love 3D signature cakes. Ones that look like unicorns, ones that look like mermaids, ones that look like anything 3D. I can do 3D in icing, and I can also do it in fondant. Fondant is another thing that I like to make from scratch. Where can you check out my cakes? The Cake Smartest Cakery, right here below the screen. My favorite ways to create meals and cakes and breads are strictly from scratch. I believe that if you create from a blank palette, that you can create just about anything that you want, and uniquely the way you would like it to be created, therefore giving you means of income or ways to sell and create your brand and add viv to your brand. And what foods do I make that are much fresher, completely made from scratch, are puddings and custards, cakes and pies, sauces, like barbecue sauce and Alfredo sauce, which I was telling you about earlier, pasta. I love donuts from scratch. Oh my God, yum, yum, yum. Donuts, I love. Croissants, oh my Lord, I love croissants. Cream puffs, love cream puffs. All of those things I do offer you to be able to buy them from a frozen texture. What's the best dish that I make? I would make on any occasion. 3 dishes: chicken spinach pasta casserole, meatloaf, and shrimp pot pie. Those 3, need to try those frozen and hot. They always hold up to a good quality. Places that I've been that I am very proud of in my career, I've been to a lot of places to set up booths to sell my brand. So I'm very proud of that overall. For since 2009, I've loved everything that I've done. even giving classes to people that want to learn how to do cakes and things of that nature. I love to do that. I love to be a teacher. I love to help people pursue their careers in cakes, cookies, or whatever they want to do. But a few places that I am proud that I have gone to is on TV on News Channel 5 to Talk of the Town. I love the fact that I did that. That's something I'll never forget. I went on there to create a unicorn head cake, and I loved it. That was in 2018, and I just so happened to come across one of the ladies that was doing a career day, and she worked at News Channel 5, and she asked me if I would be on the show. So I was happy about that. The first place that I've gone was from 2016 to 2018. I went to Escoffier Culinary Art Institute, and I pursued doing desserts, pies, cakes, and etc. And how to market your brand. Certain ways that you market your brand makes you stand out above, a lot of people in your career field. So I was very happy to be able to do that, and it was the icing on the cake. I mean, literally, because I learned a lot, and I cherish my diploma and everything. I look at it every day. I look at it every single day, and I love to be a part of that legacy. Rounding everything up, if you would like to ask me any questions, if you have any Q&A, if you have anything that you would like to ask me of how to do, I don't mind sharing with you. Have a great day.